I literally cannot see anything. There is no light coming in from any side. I'm actually quite scared. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a live unboxing and honest review of the MZOO Sleep Mask, which is a health 3D eye sleep mask. So first of all, let's just take a look at the packaging itself. So this obviously came in a standard Amazon box with this inside. The packaging is super nice. It's very sleek, very thin. It kind of gives me like a luxurious, magical feel. We have some moons and some cute stars, so I just think that's a really nice touch. I also love the colors that they're using. It's like a kind of deep gold color. There are tips for wearing the sleep mask and washing instructions. So very easily, it actually just comes out the bottom like so. Ooh, I also really love the internal packaging as well. So as you can see, it is a matte black box holding it, but we also have a really nice, oh man, that's a really good thick piece of paper. So it's kind of like tissue paper, but very thick. And as you can see, it is embossed. So it's a nice kind of like gold foil look to it. Then we actually have the product itself in this plastic covering, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and open that up. Wow. Okay. Really nice material. I really enjoy the feeling of this. I didn't know if I would, but I like that. It looks like it has adjustable straps, so you can actually pull this if you need it to be a little bit smaller or larger. It was very easy to do that by simply just maneuvering this one feature. That also has little eye pockets to help you kind of retain moisture in that area. So I'm going to put it on and see how it looks. Oh, wow. Okay, first of all, I know I probably look like a bug right now, so just bear with me. It is pitch black. I literally cannot see anything. There is no light coming in from any side. I'm actually quite scared. Full-blown blackout experience. Oh my God, this is so cool. So they actually gave me earplugs because I'm assuming they think that if you use an eye mask, you might also have sensory issues for auditory as well as visual. That's completely unnecessary that they gave me this. So that's an extra little perk. Really nice, luxurious satin bag that is the holder for it with a very cool little cinch strap here. Roll this baby up, pop it in here, and it is protected from any like spills that might happen in my luggage with this cute little satin bag. So if you have any issues with sleeping, or if you need more of a blackout experience in your bedroom, this might be the thing to grab.